Hey everybody, alright, so today we have an unboxing to do of an item that I picked up that has a bunch of custom things that I had ordered, custom made items for the 2004 Runner. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Thank you to the subscribers for continued support. And if you guys are new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification. If you guys want to see future videos or future updates. Let me grab a knife and we'll get this box open. Alright. Oh, it's being picky. All right. Box is empty. All right, so the invoice is pretty wrapped. So this used to say, it's pretty destroyed, used to say disc conversion kit, parking brake kit, and brake line kit. I'll grab that knife. Okay, these are the brackets for the disc brake conversion for the rear. Here is some riv nuts and some bolts for the parking brake, the new parking brake assembly. Here are my custom lines for the rear disc conversion with the banjos. These are thread locker, all the bolts needed for what looks like these might be for the calipers, brake lines, as well as the new parking brake assembly, and these guys right here. Come on. They're custom made brass lines. Let me put you guys down. Fold this to get it out. Okay, so here's the new custom made brake lines. Looks like copper maybe? It might be actually just copper. Okay. Move this out the way. Looks like everything was extremely well packaged. So the two lines that I requested to be custom made, so these are red and green. turn this light on real quick. It doesn't look like the green is showing up on camera for some reason. It's a color problem there, that's weird. They're dark green with red. They're stainless steel lines. This is the new brake lines, custom brake lines, when because I'm gonna have to remove the other brake lines to do the disc conversion in the rear to get rid of the drums. I'm pretty positive some of this hardware is no, this right here, this is for the parking brake custom assembly. That's what this is for. And this, I would assume, is for the brackets. Yeah, it's for the brackets. Let me cut these brackets open and I'll show you guys. These are custom caliper brackets. Very nicely packaged. This outer shrink wrap off. There. So here are the custom caliper brackets. I'll probably, I don't know, I might not. I will possibly do a video showing the conversion. There's both brackets. They're mirror copies of each other. And then these two right here. And those bolts is the hardware for these guys. Put these back in because I'm not gonna do anything right now. Still waiting for other things to show up. Still waiting on the calipers to get here and everything else. So, but that's everything that I grabbed. This cost me the disc conversion kit, which is these custom brackets, was $160, which comes with the hardware. This goes to this guy. The parking brake kit, this is this parking brake kit right here. It was $180, and the brake line kit was $60. So these two lines were $60. And I just wanted to show you guys what's going on, give you guys some updates. I also got some other things here as well. I'll explain this in a separate video, the oil cans and everything else. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. You know, if you guys want to see this conversion, let me know. This is a buddy of mine that had done all the testing on his own personal vehicle, as well as several other vehicles, testing all these products out, and he's been working on this design for several years, tweaking it here and there. This actual parking brake kit is actually the second generation kit. This is, I believe, generation probably 2 or 3 or more to get these brackets perfect. That's why I'm outsourcing, looking for 1994 to 2004, somewhere in there. I believe it's 1994 to 2004 for the Mustangs. I'm looking for 1994 to 2004 Cobra SVT Cobra rear calipers is what I'm looking for, as well as the caliper brackets. That's what these brackets are made for. We're converting the rear drums to calipers, and it's going to be, I'm looking for 2004 year model SVT Cobra calipers for the rear. 2004 is what I want because I'm going to be using 2004 4Runner rotors, and everything will function perfectly fine. You got to get the brake lines and everything out. He also left me a note. Thank you for the order. Please message me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. He's a great guy, good friend of mine. I figured I'd support him. We all, you know, us 4Runner guys, we love our 4Runners, and I'm not converting to calipers because I need more braking power. Drums are actually better for hauling. They're better for a lot of things, including harsh braking. But in order to, for an example, repair the rear axle at any given time or do seals, I have to remove everything. Doing this upgrade, I will not have to remove the drums. I can just slide the axle shafts out. It will make life a lot easier, especially since I use my truck a lot more than the average person. I use it for hauling, I use it for work, I use it for, you know, personal use, and everything else. So I use my brakes quite a bit. I usually do brake changes on my trucks probably twice a year normally. So this will make it easier if you know, I just did a brake job, but now I need to reseal the axle or the axle shafts or redo, you know, bearings or something like that. I don't have to take all of the brakes off because the drum systems on the rear 4Runners of that era, the drums are actually, the backing plates are actually bolted to the bearing housing. The bearing housing is pressed onto the shaft. So if you want to do just the dust seals, you basically have to replace all seals, inner and outer seals, you know, the dust seals, just to get to the bearing. It's a pain. So doing this conversion, especially this conversion, is going to help me out a lot. This conversion, the parking brake conversion, is to make the calipers functional with the parking brake, because the original parking brake is going to be no longer usable because it's a totally different setup. And then these rib nuts and everything are made for this kit. Everything's provided, you just got to install it. Comes with this, the C-clips and everything. It's a very nice comprehensive kit for the $400 that I paid. And I'm supporting a fellow 4Runner owner, fellow 4x4 enthusiast. And I do that a lot. I also have a previous video coming out right before this that I bought some custom-made tools for 4Runner, Tacoma, Tundra, Land Cruiser, FJ, as well as Sequoia, and a couple other, and you guys will be seeing that. But I appreciate you guys' time. If you guys want to see me do this, or you want to see like a time lapse or something, let me know. I'll see what I can do. This is not going to be installed right this minute. I need to outsource calipers and a few other things, and some of these items are very hard to find. So this could be a project that's a year from now. I just did the seals on my axle, and in order to take the axle shafts out, I'm going to destroy those seals. So more than likely this is probably going to be in a year and a half, maybe 2 years, when the seals finally give and I have no choice and I got to tear it apart anyways. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon if you guys want to see updates like this and or future videos that could possibly be recorded about this subject as well as anything else. If you like the content, I appreciate it. Please like, or not like, but go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description, I have a link for Ulsa Tools. If you guys want to click on that link, you guys can get 10% off of your next order from ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, which is very helpful for me as well. Helps me bring stuff like this to the channel, or when I buy tools and stuff like that, or I give demonstrations, or usage, tool reviews, stuff like that. I do appreciate all the support that I get from my subscribers and loyal subscribers and people that stop by the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the like button or subscribe if you're interested in any other content. I'm open to suggestions. If you guys have anything you guys want to see, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!